Hey there, and welcome back to our Wednesday morning midweek update here with DoubleUp Trading. Thanks so much for joining us again this morning. Please keep your eyes peeled for the introduction video we will be posting soon to learn more about DoubleUp Trading and what we're all about. All right, you guys, let's get into it. On Monday, we went over our options lineup for the week. We had placed 2 orders set to expire this Friday, January 9th, one of which has executed already, leaving us with 1 open order still remaining. The order we had open was 10 Red Cat for January 9th. It's a $9 put, and we placed the order in at a limit of 20 cents. Unfortunately, the order has still not executed. This could be due to personal news regarding the stock, such as quarterly earnings reports, or if they've released information about their business practices or management. Or it could reflect a larger pattern or trend within the market itself, which could be caused by world news, trade, government actions, as well as other factors beyond our control. When reviewing the open order on RCAT, I can see the current bid is 2 cents, while the ask is 4 cents. We had previously placed the limit in at 20 cents. It looks to me like the prices pretty much ran away in the other direction, which definitely happens sometimes. Personally, I don't think chasing 3 cents in premium is worth it just to sell the option for this Friday. So, I think in a situation like this, I'd prefer to either cancel the order or leave it alone and allow it to expire on its own in a couple of days on Friday. And that is that. Alright, you guys, we've done our research and we've made our adjustments. Now it's time to sit back and let the market work its magic. Remember and keep in mind, if you guys want to learn more about options trading, quarterly earnings reports, world news, and other factors that affect the market, feel free to follow us here and check out the description for more ways to get involved. That said, I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and I will see you on Friday for our final forecast. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye.